I picked up this 12-pack of Juexica 12 by 18 inch Basswood sheets for some upcoming shop projects, mainly making small boxes and detailed cutouts on my CNC and scroll saw. First thing I noticed was the surface quality. These sheets are really smooth and evenly sanded right out of the pack, so there's very little prep work before you start cutting or finishing. At about 3 millimeters thick, they're thin enough for detailed work but still rigid enough to stay flat while machining or sawing. The Basswood cuts super clean whether I'm doing intricate cutouts or panel work for boxes. I've been getting crisp edges with minimal tear out, which saves time on sanding and cleanup. It's a great material for projects where you want precision and clean finished look. You can even use a utility knife to cut it. You get 12 sheets in the bundle, which gives me plenty of material to work through multiple builds or experiment with designs without worrying about running short. They're marketed for crafts, laser cutting, wood burning, and DIY projects, and based on what I've used them for so far, they fit perfectly in that space. Overall, if you're making boxes, decorative cutouts, or detailed woodworking projects, these Basswood sheets have been a solid choice for me.